Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Outlook sync issues. Alright, so let's begin. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Syncing problems can often happen because of a weak or intermittent connection. Next, completely close Outlook and then reopen it. Sometimes simply restarting the application is enough to resolve syncing issues. After that, go to search bar and then open settings. Then click on apps and then navigate to default apps. Scroll down until you find Outlook and then click on Outlook to make sure everything is set correctly. It's also important to ensure that you're using the latest version of Outlook, as updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can help resolve syncing problems. To update Outlook, go back and click on Advanced App Settings and check for any available updates. Installing the latest update may fix the issue. If the problem still persists, you can go to System Settings and here, look for Recovery option and click on it. Here, consider resetting your PC, as this can sometimes resolve deeper Outlook sync issues. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Outlook sync issues. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.